This song uses cross-lateral movement. Cross-lateral movement is movement that crosses the midline of your body, connecting the left side of your brain with the right side of your brain. The stronger connection that you have between the two halves of your brain, the stronger reader that you will become. We are going to sing this song 3 times. The first time, slow. The second time, medium fast. And the third time, fast. Are we ready? A ram, sam, sam, a ram, sam, sam. Gooly, 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 ram, sam, sam, a ram, sam, sam, a ram, sam, sam. Gooly, 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 ram, sam, sam. A Rafi, gooly, 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 ram, sam, sam. A Rafi, gooly, 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 ram, sam, sam. Are you ready to try it a little faster? Let's go. A ram, sam, sam, a ram, sam, sam, gooly, 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 ram, sam, sam, a ram, sam, sam, a ram, sam, sam, gooly, 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 ram, sam, sam, a Rafi, gooly, 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 ram, sam, sam, a Rafi, gooly, 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 ram, sam, sam. Good job. Now let's try it even faster. Ready? A ram, sam, sam, a ram, sam, sam, gooly, 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 ram, sam, sam, a ram, sam, sam, a ram, sam, sam, gooly, 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 ram, sam, sam, a Rafi, gooly, 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 ram, sam, sam, a Rafi, gooly, 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 ram, sam, sam. Great job. How fast can you go?